In recent years, the demand for fire escape ladders has grown significantly as homeowners prioritize safety and emergency preparedness. Whether living in multi-story homes or apartments, having a reliable escape ladder can save lives during fire emergencies. This guide evaluates top fire escape ladders based on key factors like durability. List number: Hossi retractable 3-story fire escape ladder, 25 feet. The Hossi retractable 3-story fire escape ladder is an excellent choice for those needing a sturdy, reliable ladder for taller buildings. Extending up to 25 feet, it's perfect for 3-story homes or apartments. Its retractable design ensures easy storage and quick deployment in emergencies. Made from heavy-duty steel, this ladder boasts high weight capacity and durability. The anti-slip rungs provide extra safety when descending, even in stressful situations. Compact and portable, it's easy to carry and store, making it a smart investment for comprehensive fire safety. List number: Hossi retractable 2-story fire escape ladder, 13 feet. Designed for 2-story residences, the Hossi retractable 2-story fire escape ladder offers a balance of portability and security. With a 13-foot extension, it fits most standard windows with ease. Its retractable feature simplifies setup and storage without compromising strength. The ladder's robust steel construction supports both adults and children, with anti-slip rungs ensuring safe footing during a quick evacuation. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's an ideal ladder for families looking for peace of mind in case of fire emergencies. List number: Fire escape ladder, 2-story emergency portable safety ladder for adults and kids with anti-slip rungs. This 2-story fire escape ladder offers versatility and safety with its design tailored for both adults and kids. Lightweight and portable, it can be swiftly attached to windowsills and deployed when needed. The ladder features anti-slip rungs for secure climbing, even under high-stress scenarios. Its durable construction withstands repeated use and heavy weight. Compact when folded, it fits easily into small storage spaces, making it perfect for apartments and houses alike. A reliable option for emergency preparedness without sacrificing convenience. List number: Kiddie fire escape ladder, 2-story rope ladder, extends to 13 feet. Anti-slip rungs. The Kiddie fire escape ladder is a classic rope ladder design extending up to 13 feet, suitable for 2-story escapes. Its compact and lightweight build makes it easy to store and carry. The ladder's anti-slip rungs ensure safety while descending, providing a confident grip during emergencies. Designed to support both adults and children, it offers peace of mind for families living in multi-level dwellings. Quick to install and deploy, the Kiddie ladder combines simplicity with safety in a trusted brand's product. List 5. First Alert 2-story fire escape ladder, 14 feet, steel, anti-slip, black. First Alert's 2-story fire escape ladder is a durable, steel-built ladder extending 14 feet for safe emergency exits. Known for reliability, First Alert integrates anti-slip rungs and heavy-duty steel construction to support safe evacuation for adults and children. The black finish adds a sleek look while resisting wear and tear. Easy to install and deploy, this ladder folds compactly for storage convenience. It is a solid choice for homeowners seeking a balance of rugged durability and user-friendly design in their emergency escape plan.